There is actually a waterfall in Dorset that I've seen on a few occasions whilst walking the coast path, but I've always seen it from above and never sea level. So today I'm making a long walk from Renscombe Farm down to Chapman's Pool and basically heading west along the rocks, along the shoreline basically. But it is a long walk. It's pretty ropey, to be completely honest. Very loose underfoot. It's like a sprained ankle waiting to happen. So just the other side of this headland should be the waterfall.